daybreak on the golf course. There is nothing more breathtaking, peaceful, inspiring, and we intend to keep it that way. At Toro, we have been committed to helping enrich the beauty, productivity, and sustainability of the land for over a century, and we continue to innovate by thinking differently about how we power our equipment. Toro's full line of all-electric and hybrid mowers and vehicles were engineered to help reduce engine exhaust emissions and noise pollution, to be more efficient, easy to use, and easy to maintain, without compromising power, precision, reliability, or comfort. At Toro, we're investing in all of our futures to meet your needs in an even more sustainable way. Only from Toro. Count on it.